myself because my voice goes in with the song, so I can't hear myself. You don't have. Okay, go back. Don't laugh, because it makes me laugh. Voldemort. My name is Voldemort, not Dumbledore. I want to do. I found the source of the ticking. Do I have to do the evil laugh?
Yes.
Can I? I don't want to do the evil laugh.
What's the evil laugh then? I'll do it.
It's like.
Okay, you can edit the evil laugh in. Okay, so I'll do the evil laugh.
Voldemort, Voldemort, oh, Voldemort.
Harry Potter, because that's part of the thing. I go Snape. There you go. I go Harry, 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 and then go Dumbledore, Hermione.
Can you see that?
Just like that. I'm scared. Harry Potter, Harry Potter, oh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, yeah, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, oh, Harry Potter, Harry Potter, that's me, Harry, 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 Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, I'm Harry Potter, Harry Potter, singing our song all day long at Hogwarts. Yay! Mwah-ha-ha-ha. Mwah-ha-ha-ha-ha.
Oh, where am I coming in? Where do I come in? Where's the other piece of paper? I don't know when to come in, though. I've seen this like once.
I think I'm gonna redo mine after.
Oops, I missed it. I thought it was in like 5 seconds. Okay.
It's right here. Okay, right here is right after Snape. It's like in between. Down.
Okay, 1 sec. Mine, damn it. Rewind.
Want an easier one?
No, I got it. Hermione. Hermione. Hermione.
Yeah.
Hermione. Hermione. Oh, I missed it. Someone be here.
Okay. Okay, restart. Oh.
Who are you gonna be? Severus Snape? That's the
Winnie? Hermione? Oh, crap, I screwed up. Okay, restart.
How about
Okay, it's slower.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Over here. Over there. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. 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 Severus. Snape. Snape. Why?
microphone?
Ah. 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 This is hard to do. Jeez, you guys. What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Snape. Oop. Snape. Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Snape. Oops. I don't think I should be a part of this. This is way too hard. That was amazing, you guys.
Felicia, do you want to check Hermione?
I think I did very good.
Hi, Josh. Hi, Greg. Hi, Josh.
Dumbledore. 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 Dumbledore.
Snape. Severus Snape. 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 Severus Snape. Dumbledore. Okay, Hermione's next. So shh. Hermione. Hermione. Hermione, Hermione, Hermione. Hermione, 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 Hermione. Hermione. Wait, Hermione. Oh, I'm getting confused. Okay, restart. Go back to like halfway, because I've got the first part of it. Yeah. Hermione, Hermione. Hermione. Money. Hermione. 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 All day long at Hogwarts. Yay! Whoa. Voldemort, oh Voldemort. Boom, 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 boom.